They say pain makes you strong, but I think dental pain is a huge exception for that.
It started from the lower jaw, but I couldn't exactly pinpoint it. But it was from the lower jaw, spreading through the right side of the whole of my face.
We went to so many dentists in just 2 days. In fact, they are very experienced too. All said the same thing, the decayed tooth. And she should get her root canal done immediately.
Root canal is a procedure where we remove the decayed part of the tooth and the pulp to fill it with an inert material called kataparcha.
Everyone said the same thing, but that's not all. I have to get a crown done.
Now the tooth gets hydrated from inside with the help of the pulp. Now once we remove the pulp, the tooth loses its water content and becomes brittle and breaks once force is applied on it. And that's exactly why we need a crown.
But I don't have that much time. I need to leave for US in 2 days.
Well, root canal can be done in a single sitting, but conventionally, the crown preparation takes longer than that.
I don't have enough time to get it done here, and I have no insurance to get it done there.
That was when doctor suggested us to go through CAD-CAM.
CAD-CAM is a computer-aided design and manufacturing after 3D scanning of your tooth intraorally.
So no more sticky alginate for the impression?
Exactly. The monoblock zirconia crown is made by a high-precision CNC machine by a method called subtractive manufacturing.
And the best part is, the crown was ready within 45 minutes. They prepared my tooth for some time, and 45 minutes more, I had a new crown.
It used to take days together to prepare a crown, but our current generation millennials don't have that much time. This new technology enables us to do it within 1 hour.
It's like some magic. It's where speed and precision met together in one point.
Exactly. The crown is made up of zirconia. It is very biocompatible and so strong that it can bear 900 megapascals. It's 9 times stronger than the normal biting force.
What can I say? It's my first year review. And it's totally worth it. Absolutely pain-free, no discomfort, and everything is back to normal. I'm back being the girl with the sweet tooth.
Well, that isn't good for your tooth either.